Thank you for tuning in, CraigTrader family, to the CraigTrader Channel and to CraigTrader.com. My name is Craig Smith, and I'm your host. Thank you for tuning back in. If you're visiting for the first time, thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share with your friends, family, coworkers, etc., etc. Really appreciate the support that you all have been lending to me and to this channel. We've been covering some really great things and great topics concerning personal finance, investments, basically a journey on wealth building and legacy building. And so I'm very proud of to be able to come to you with various topics. When I'm not hosting or on here and you see my face, then I've also produced some videos and will produce from time to time frequently throughout the week some informative videos that are faceless, more interactive, but we'll discuss similar topics that are important to wealth building and to your success in personal finance, whether it be stocks or investments in bonds or investing in real estate or budgeting, handling how to save and invest additional money, how to reduce your taxes, things of that nature. Whatever it is concerning how to build your wealth faster. That's what I'm more concerned with, how we can get rich, get wealthy faster. So that's important to all of us to be able to provide a legacy, especially those of us that are older and may have not invested properly when we were younger, or our lack of knowledge. There's a verse that says, "My people perish, or we perish for a lack of knowledge." And so, as you gain more knowledge, as you know better, you'll do better. And so I'm here to help with those different tools from my experience as an investor. And also, I'm steadily learning also and learning new things, and I'll be including you in those things along the journey as I have been. For those of you that have been following this channel and following me, you know that I'm going to really put my best into providing information that will help lead us to financial freedom, financial independence, and even the FIRE lifestyle for some of you, which is financially independent, retire early, which I don't personally believe in necessarily retirement. I believe in financial freedom. And with that financial freedom, we're able to create the lifestyle that we want, whether it be spending more time with friends, family, watching over loved ones, traveling. I just got back from doing some traveling with a family reunion and doing some other trips lately. And so, as you become financially independent, it allows you the freedom to travel. Travel is important on my list, and I want to get around and experience new places, new cultures. And I'm sure some of you all are interested in that. But whatever your interest is, becoming more financially stable, financially independent will help you to achieve those goals. And so that's very important. And that's something that's near and dear to my heart to be able to help you all and help whoever tunes into this channel with that. So, as I said, you will see some faceless videos that may not, of course, look like me, but nevertheless, they're put on the channel. I'm producing them in short form and putting them on the channel to be able to continue to provide financial information. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your friend helping you along the journey. And as we go on the journey together, we'll discover how we can become wealthier faster. That's what it's all about, as far as I'm concerned, is getting us not just to the goal, but getting us there faster. And so that is one of my main themes on this channel. Um, so this week we are experiencing some things. As you know, President Joe Biden has stepped down from running for re-election as president of the United States. It looks like the apparent candidate will be Vice President Kamala Harris, and probably will be running against former President Donald Trump for the presidency of the United States. How does that weigh in as far as the stock market? Well, in the past, of course, we're not new to elections. We're not new to volatile elections and volatility. Of course, each candidate is going to promise something, as they always do. Will that have any major effect? Things like infrastructure investing, roads, uh, things of that nature. All the candidates in the Congress, Senate, the government is going to have to provide a certain amount of that anyway. As far as the stock market goes, the stock market is based upon all of our investments, 401ks for those of you that are working, SEP IRAs, Roth IRAs, and your individual investment accounts go into basically the stock market, ETFs, bond funds, mutual funds, etc. And those things are going to always, because of technology and the companies behind them, providing technology and wanting to provide an edge for their particular industry, are going to continue to rise, especially the technology field. And whether sectors swing high or low, or evolve or revolve, as you have some sectors like the Russell 2000 coming into play now and beginning to rise lately. The thing is, stay diversified, stay to be on the safe side. Stick with an S&P 500 type fund, which I like, SPY, and also the QQQs for the NASDAQ market. I'm a major holder of both of those. But of course, as we discuss on this channel, I'm concerned with also increasing my monthly income, as I know you're concerned about increasing your monthly income. The cost of goods are rising, inflation is rising. How do you keep up with the rise of things if you're working a regular 9 to 5, or you're getting a retirement pension or Social Security uh, check? How do you fight the rise of inflation and the cost of goods? Well, a major key that I've discovered, of course, and been sharing with you all, are the high yield monthly dividend funds. So mainly QQQY, which I've been investing in, CONY, which is a yield max fund. I just name it CONY, yield max fund. That's the underlying stock that they trade on with these option funds that they do, option calls that they do, option plays, is for Coinbase, and MSTY, which is for MicroStrategy, the underlying fund, as well as ULTY invest in, and also I do have some in clip, although that's, of course, you have to do your own due diligence. Again, this is not financial advice. You're just following the journey, and you can make your own decisions and do your own due diligence. But you could go to Yield Max ETFs and put your email address in there, and they'll be able to send you updates. You'll be able to browse the websites, see what kind of yields are being produced, and the information that is on there. Also, Defiance ETFs, um, as far as the QQQY, and there's JEPY also. I hold a little bit of that, but I'm more technology based. So my account is kind of weighted more toward technology, and with CONY and MicroStrategy being an underlying investment, then it's cryptocurrency based, a lot of it also. I really do expect the cryptocurrency, as a lot of experts are saying, to rise. Of course, the last couple of days they had some major pullbacks, the cryptocurrency and the stock market. So what I did was actually sold some of my regular holdings to take advantage of the pullback, and to invest more into these high yield funds, since they'll be paying out upcoming pretty soon, mainly on around the third. I think QQQY is going to pay out on usually around the third of each month. MSTY and CONY will pay on around the eighth of each month. That's been pretty much their pattern. Again, you can go to the Yield Max website and Defiance website and find out exactly when those are scheduled to pay out. And they will make an announcement and email it to you if you put your address in there. Also, go to CraigTrader.com, put your email in there, email address in there to the subscribe button, and I will continue to send you information or breaking news information concerning different things I'm doing or information I find out, I will share it with you with those that have the email newsletter first. Because many times I can't get to the video or make a quick video or may not be in a position to. I may be in a meeting or something of that nature, and I'll drop a quick email as soon as I can for some breaking news. But I do plan to continue to produce more and more of these videos to be put out so that we all can gain the knowledge and share that knowledge as well. One of the things that came up recently on the 17th of July, it was announced by Defiance Funds that QQQY, IWMY, also, I think one other fund, basically, I don't have it in front of me. You can Google that information, but they're going to do a 1-to-3 reverse stock split. So, what a reverse stock split does is it will take, say for instance, a share is $10 and you have three shares at $10 a piece. What they'll do is they'll reverse the split, and instead of making more shares, they'll produce less, they'll make it less shares. So they'll take those three shares at $10 each and make it one share costing $30. So that's essentially what's happening. The valuation of the account or your portfolio holding won't change. The yields, of course, shouldn't change proportionately. Um, and any other factors are factored into that. It's just that you'll have less shares that is priced at a higher price. And subsequently, if it's just a regular split, like say something that's worth $30 and it's one share, then they say, well, we're going to do a 3-for-1 split. Then, of course, they're going to split that $30 or that one share into three shares worth $10 each. So it's just the opposite. A reverse split is opposite. It produces less, makes it less shares for a higher price. The split makes more shares for a lower price. And so, but it's still the same valuation. And they do that for various reasons, which may be to help investment into that particular fund or stock, make it more appealing, create some sensation around it with the news and things like that. And then, of course, with a split, you get in at a lower price as it drives the price up higher. They'll split again, usually at some point. Many companies will do that, and it'll make it more accessible, more affordable for to be able to buy shares at a lower price. So that's essentially the logic behind that. Again, continue to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also share this video with your friends and family. Remember, you can't win the game unless you're in the game. So get in the game. Get in this investment game, the life game. Play to win. Remember, stay blessed, stay focused, stay positive, and I'll see you soon.